All I can do is laugh at this shit. At this point, all I can do is laugh at this. All I can do is laugh at this. Nature boy, you are a motherfucker. You can't help yourself. Dude, I'm sitting here and I just finished my work, and I came in and I'm like, let me see what's going on in the nature world, right? So, I'm sitting here and I stumble across this on Nature Boy Reflections channel. And he says this.
Pause. Point blank period. Y'all don't like it, get the fuck out. Get out. Get out the room if you don't like it.
Thanks.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy and motion. Emotions are a motherfucker, right? Everything is emotion.
Nigga, those are my exact words when I teach on emotional development. Those are my exact fucking words. I even called my student who I did a live with, who said those exact fucking words. Nigga, you's a bitch. But you want credit for your shit. Oh, I'm combing through my shit right now, trying to find that exact phrase coming out of my mouth and coming out of my student's mouth. This nigga right, come on, y'all. Y'all know that's my shit. People have paid me money to hear me say that. But you know what? This lets me know that the cancer is being infected. The immune system of this body that he calls God, that he says we are cells in, it means that we are pulling this infection out because now it is talking like us. Or should I say, me. Since when, nigga, did you make the association? Since when? Since when? When?
But it ain't gonna be no disrespect here. Nah, this is pause. Point blank period. Y'all don't like it, get the fuck out. Get out. Get out the room if you don't like it.
Thanks.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy and motion. Emotions are a motherfucker, right?
Oh!
Point blank period. Y'all don't like it, get the fuck out.
Right.
Get out. Get
Right.
out the room if you don't like it.
Thanks.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy and motion.
You even had to think about that shit to recall hearing that shit. You's a bitch. And I got you. Because that means you got my mind. This might not be a bad thing, people. This might not be a bad thing, people. This this might not be a bad thing. I got on my bad religion jacket this morning. Yeah. Got that bad religion jacket on. I just want it known for the record that this nigga is not only watching my shit, but now my shit is coming out of his face. Is this a good or a bad thing, y'all? What y'all think? How did he come to that conclusion? Because this is what got him in trouble with the beekeeper, right? But I just want y'all to know, this is going to be short. I just want y'all to know that this nigga is not only watching me, but now he is quoting me.
I don't expect everybody to understand. That's why
Shut up,
Come in the
Eliana.
room. To me.
Shut up.
This the next type shit. What kind of next? Nah, man. Nice.
respect. It's like people start taking advantage.
Girl, shut up.
I don't expect everybody to understand. That's why.
Point blank period. Y'all don't like it, get the fuck out. Get out. Get out the room if you don't like it.
Thanks.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy and motion. Emotions are a motherfucker, right?
How did you come to the conclusion that emotions equals energy in motion? Where did you get that from? By what equation did you come to on that, nigga? Because people have paid me cash money to learn that. Cash money. That quote is in my polygamy. That quote is in my polygamy video. That quote is in my growing up your emotions polygamy 2 video. That mother. But you want credit for your shit. Nigga, I ain't got hardly the following you do. Why are you quoting Witch Hazel? Remember, I'm Witch Hazel. But Witch Hazel is good enough, and I want your little groupies to know that Witch Hazel is good enough to talk about, mimic, and now plagiarize. Boy, if we were on the street, I'd slap the shit out of you and then tie your shit into a ponytail and make you call me auntie. But then I like, Fee, you tripping. So I called my student and I was like, yo, do you remember saying this? And he said, Master Fee, I said them exact words. I said, I know you did. So, brother, wait for him to find the video to put it up. Because, you know, some of us have to do other things. I made my money this morning before I woke up. I ain't got nothing to do today. But bang on your head all day long for stealing my intellectual property. It's one thing to say some shit that I put out there that's free. It's another thing to say some shit, have this smug ass look on your face, and your ass is quoting me directly. After you've insulted me, after you've insulted the God, after you've insulted the divine feminine and the masculine, after you've misrepresented yin and yang, after you've misrepresented magic, you've misrepresented innocence, you've misrepresented every goddamn thing in your life, right down to misrepresenting what is male and what is female. Because a clitoris is one thing, a penis is something bigger. No, nigga. No. I'm going to put this shit out there one more time so people understand that you's a biting ass bastard. with your little hummingbird. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell. Welcome to the Tinkerbell and Peter Pan show.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy in motion.
Nigga, don't you never. You not that smart. You're not that insightful. That is a fee-ism. Matter of fact, the goddamn video that shit is on, like all of my motherfucking videos, is hashtag fee-ism. Nigga, get off the goddamn internet and do some goddamn retrospection. Then maybe you can come up with some of this shit yourself. Stop using us. Go have sex with your woman. Do that. Go do that. Go pee in the woods or something. Go build something. Nigga. Cause God told me. Well, God told me you's an asshole. So who right and who wrong? God definitely told me that you's a biting ass, plagiarizing ass Negro that can't even get the basics fucking straight. Because at this point, I will He almost got me. I almost said that I would debate him on that point. That nigga almost got me. Nigga, fuck you. I'm just gonna say this. Explain how emotions are energy in motion. And explain it from a distance. Because when you explain it from a distance, I'm going to unlock the class that I primarily taught that shit in. I'm gonna fuck you. Because I'm a woman, so I can say that without making it sound homosexual. But I'm gonna fuck you in the brain like I have been since I've been on this motherfucker. You're Cancer. I'm alkaline water. I don't even want to be part of the human body. I just want to help the body that you have plagued to right itself. You got it? I just don't bring the fire, baby. I bring the torch. I can be just as character as you can. We can play this game from afar all day long, but I will never put you on my platform, and we gonna have to play this game from afar. But explain how and why. Emotion equals energy in motion. And if you know that, explain how to control it. And if you know that, why can't you? Shots fired! Shots fired! Bitch! This is Fundi Fee. Love y'all. I'm going to throw this up, but one more time on what the fuck I'm talking about, because people think I'm crazy. I ain't crazy.
Get out. Get out the room if you don't like it.
Thanks.
Get out. That's right, emotions. That's called energy in motion. Emotions are a motherfucker, right? Everything is emotion. Get over it. It doesn't matter. Learn how to poise, how to use it with poise. Learn how to use it. Everything is emotion. Point.
And yet, you couldn't possibly understand the definition of poise. This is Fundi Fee. Master Fundi Fee. Y'all hit me up at www.fundifee.com for all or most of your spiritual needs. Love you. We're having a sage sale, and I'm going to step all up. If he can have commercials on his YouTube page and he talked about us, every time I do one of these, I'm going to do a shameless promotion of not only me, Ashe Divine. If you're banging on Nature Boy's head and you own a business, please get me your business information. Because just like he making money on this, come on, y'all. Let's get on the bandwagon and let's make the same damn money. www.masterfundifee.com. You can also catch me on Facebook, that's right, at u.university, where you too can learn exactly what I was talking about when I said that emotion is energy in motion and how to control that with, let's get this off the table before he says it. Triggers. And what's the other one, Nature Boy? Come on. You studied me so well. You should know what the other one is. If energy in motion equals emotion, there are two components. Triggers is one. What's the other one? I'm going to leave it right there. And I always got my ear to the street. My ear to the street. My ear to the street. I'm a tracker. The priesthood is real. I keep telling y'all that. Salam, shalom, and Hutep.